Alright everyone, we have a spark plug and air filter replacement on a 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's get right into it. I'm going to change this air filter first. I think first you just can pop this hose off by squeezing these tabs in. Then we're going to undo all these hex bolts. This will pop right up, filter right out. I'm not going to film that just because it's quite easy to take these hex bolts out, but I'll show you when I'm all done with that. Now that all these bolts are loosened, these don't actually come out, they just loosen. This can filter, come up and out. As you can see, was in need of replacing, and customer provided it. Place it back in. More across. Keep it. You're gonna keep going around. Tightening these up. And then we can reconnect our vacuum breather hose. So you hear that click. And now we can pop this cover off. And I'm gonna see if I need to remove the battery or disconnect the battery first. Okay, so we're gonna remove this connector and this connector, along with the coil pack connectors, so we can fold that harness up and out of the way. This one is a little locking tab that should press out if I get my fat fingers out of the way. I'm gonna get a little really careful, ensuring that you don't break it. And then, man, that's tight. Connector pops out. We are going to disconnect our coil packs now, and they're only going to go back the same way, so it's not like you can mix the order up. You need a 10mm socket and a thin walled 10mm wrench. So this wrench can go onto that ground wire, and I'm gonna grab a magnetic organizer and gets lost.
Hey, brother, would you like a water or a drink?
I would love one. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Brother. Thank you.
No problem. This is the last one that needs to get unlocked. There we go. And now these should start pulling out. Disconnecting. This one's out. Yeah, they're all. They just need to be. There's 1, 2, 3. Man, that guy's on there. So now I'm gonna disconnect this. Actually, I'm not. Just gonna leave him like that with a little bit of movement. We can take out our bolt. Okay. Coil packs can come. Might be a little stubborn. But they will come out. You just have to give them a good wiggle. There we go. Last one, the hardest. Location pull out. So I don't want to use pliers. Let's not work on it. There we go. Now, I'm going to put these back in the same spot. So I'm going to go mark them. The way I'm keeping track of where they went is I'm just lining them up with the cylinder holes. So now, if we get our spark plug socket, ratchet, extension, this can go away. That goes right there. You want to make sure that these are seated One, 2, 3, 1. Wait, hello, wait. 4. No, no. Run them. Rest away. No. Take them. No. Okay. Not nowhere. The nose. There. Rest a minute. Suck it out enough. Let it go. Let me see me. Back down. Let the birds. 2, 3, 4. What I'm gonna do is compare the new ones to the old ones, ensuring that we have the correct spark plug. gonna get the customer real quick. New plugs obtained. So we're going to throw these in the car. Just gotta figure out. Just gotta see if they're a 16 mil, which they should be. A limited lifetime warranty. Take that. Advanced Auto Parts for the win. Yes, they are. Same height. Same gappage. You got it. So, I'm gonna use our spark plug socket for this, just so it doesn't drop down this way. Or it's not a chance of me. There's no chance of me crossing it. Oh, I got to use my regular socket. Because our spark plug socket is getting stuck. But stay okay. I'm throwing that in my hand. There's one. These work too. I think 17 pounds. Simple enough. One of these in my hand, ensuring no cross-setting. No cross-setting over here. Those two are in. Drop our third one on the hold. Try that in. Get our fourth one. Drop it in there. Boom. Okay. So get our fork wrench. Set it to 17 foot-pounds. One, two, three, four. Those are all torqued. Now we can put our coil packs back in. Might take a little finesse and just press those down. These coil packs do not get torqued to anything too tight. They really don't even get torqued to a spec that I can do on my torque wrench, because I don't have my inch-pound wrench with me. So they're just going to be snugged. I think it's like 44 inch-pounds of torque, something non-registerable. Run these down. Literally to that. 44 inch-pounds is not that much. That's good. Well, does not need to be torqued to that much at all. Now we can maneuver this harness. Back on. That's where their oil cap was leaking. Click, click, click. That one already clicked. Make sure this connector goes back in and clicks. Lock it. Put our ground strap. All these. Run that nut down. Thankfully, that fell to the floor, because I would have been screwed. Take our 10 mil. And literally just boom. Want it snug. It's good. 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 pop our Volkswagen cover back on. Trying to, there's one, line up our clips. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you do spark plugs on your 2018 to 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan.